Hi everyone, welcome. If you love bags designer or not, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And together, let's enjoy these beautiful pieces. Today, I would like to share with you items that I got from Daisy Rose. If you remember from last year, I was able to get something from them, and I will just link them up here if you haven't seen them yet. But now I decided to get the brown checkered print from Daisy Rose, and I will show you what I got. So this is the first one that I got from Daisy Rose. This is a brown checkered vegan leather, and I'll share with you. I saw this from the reviews, and I couldn't resist. I really want to get myself one as well. And because this is not a fake item, this is a dupe. When you say dupe, it doesn't have any logos in there. So it's just a brown checkered print. So this is just a simple bag, crossbody bag from Daisy Rose. And I really love the texture. It's nice. From one side, it's a brown from the bottom. And on the other side, let's first remove this tag. And on the inside, it does have very strong magnets. And on the inside, they have this free chain. They have this logo right there, Daisy Rose. On the inside is just a plain inside, but it does have many pockets inside. It does have 6 card slots on that area, and on one side it does have one slit pocket for cash. So that's just a simple layout, like a small a cross body wallet on chain. And let's see this free chain. So this is really a heavy chain, and thus you can put on the corners. See if I can put the chain right here. The other side. So there. It's just a simple crossbody bag, very elegant, that you can use for daily errands. And then I also bought another one from them, and this is the matching. That is the key pouch. This is another beautiful pouch that resembles the Louis Vuitton the clay, but this is a bigger size. Let's remove. So it doesn't have any logos as well on the zipper pull. Very smooth zippers. I should say that I really love smooth zippers. And on the inside, they have this logo, Daisy Rose, in gold. And then it does have the key hook like the clay, LV clay. And I always see this in YouTube, and I really wanted to get one as well. I know the clay, the real clay from Louis Vuitton, I couldn't really afford at this point, but at least I was able to get this one that I can use, and I can also have my luxury clay that resembles that beautiful I know in time, in the future, probably I can afford that, but as of now, I can. This will do. This will really do. Let's see if I put this on middle. So that's it. So many room. So much more room inside for the phone and the key. So here are the two items that I got from Daisy Rose: a key pouch and a crossbody with chain in the brown checkered print that resembles Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene print. And I'm really happy that I was able to get them. Really, really wanted to get them from watching different YouTube videos that really invited me to get this very beautiful print. And I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put questions on the comment box below. Please do feel free to comment, and I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.